welcome back to the channel. Real quick, this video I want to talk about DIY. Most of y'all know what that stands for. Do it yourself job. I want to talk about do it yourself job. Now, as you can see, this is the underbody of a Chrysler Caravan with a 3.6 liter engine. And as you can see, well, maybe you can't see, maybe some of y'all don't recognize this underbody, but this is a converter, cat converter. This is a 3.6 engine. What used to be here is a cat converter. In fact, let me show you the cat converter right here. This is the old one, and this is the new one. And let me be the first to tell you, it was a pain in the butt getting out. Okay, so what I want to talk about is the do-it-yourself enthusiast, the guys that like to do their own work. And I'm just gonna simply name this title or this video jobs that's not do-it-yourself, jobs that's not DIY. Now I got a top 10, I got a 10-part series video I'm about to release. It's 10 videos. I'm gonna go over the top 10 jobs that I do not think is do-it-yourself job. And ladies and gentlemen, this happened to be one. In fact, matter of fact, I'm just gonna name this number 10. Okay, the cat converter on bank 1 of a typical 3.6 liter engine, especially on the minivan because it's faced sideways. Okay, and that cat converter is right here. Now, it also depends on your definition of do-it-yourself. My definition may be different from other people. What I consider do-it-yourself guy is a guy that do his own work in his own garage, and he should be 100%, but he semi have safety in mind. So in order to get the car off the ground, he have jacks, and in order to maintain the stability of the car, he have jack stands. Okay, that to me is a do-it-yourself guy. He want to save as much money as possible, so he have a setup in his garage and he do his work himself. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, this is not one of those cars you want to be doing that way. That's why this falls in the category of a not do-it-yourself job. Okay, first of all, you guys got to keep safety in mind when you're trying to do your own repair. Safety should be the your number one issue. Okay, no matter what the job is, safety should be accounted for. This kind of job, no matter, it's a van, no matter how well you jack it up and put jack stands under it, you will have a hard time removing this cat converter. Okay, it is not easy at all. I'm talking about the converter on bank 1. This is bank 2. Sure, bank 2 is kind of easier. You can take the fan off. That'll get you closer to the bolts on the converter, and of course you can unbolt it right here. All right, so but on bank 1, and I'll tell you the code on this too, is bank 1 cat efficiency failure. Part of the most part of the exhaust has to come off. Okay, this is part of the exhaust. It was the pain to get off, and of course there's the converter. All right, so like I say, I don't want this video to be long, but do not, I repeat, do not attempt to do a job like this at home in your garage using jack stands and jacks, because it's a lot of stuff. You're gonna need pry bars, you're gonna need everything. All right, this is number 10. I started my series off right here. Number 10 jobs you shouldn't do yourself at home is cat converter on a 3.6 liter engine. Okay, and for you mechanics that's out there, if you have any, why don't you put them in the comment section below. This is just one of my pet peeves. I'm a big fan of safety. I mean, safety has to play a role in everything you do, especially when it comes to working on cars. All right, so I'm gonna end this video right here because I got to get this cat in here. It took me way too long to get it out. First of all, it was rusted up, so I had to let it soak with rust penetration, let all the bolts soak, and it was just a pain to get out. So I got it out. As you can see, there's a new one. I'm gonna get it in, change the O2 sensors around, and that should about wrap it up. All right, so I don't want this video to be long, so guys, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.